What's up, you guys? It's me back here with another video. I actually got my mini bike here. I have to take my gas cap off because I'm going to be filling her with some gas. I have no idea. I forget what kind of gas this goes in this, but I just know it's gas, so need to make some arrangements. Gonna have to move you guys to over here. Give me a second, guys. Yes, that works. So pretty much what's happening is I'm putting gas in my mini bike, but I can't do that whenever I can't get in to get the gas inside of it. I'm putting a crap ton of gas in here. Don't need to overfill her. Perfect. No! Let's see what percent my phone's at. No, it's not going to show me. Put my phone here so that way I'm going to show you guys how she starts and all that. So we got a runner for you guys. There you guys go. That's a preview of her. I am eventually gonna get something for you guys so that way you guys can just stick on my phone on my bike. Actually, that messes with it. Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next video. Peace!